Want to know if you can check who views your profile on Facebook? I'm Jessica, and in this video, we'll discuss if there's a way to see who has looked at your Facebook profile. In years past, there used to be workarounds that seemed to show who had looked at your Facebook profile, that were later debunked as really just showing profiles of people who were active in your chats list, or you had recently interacted with. But currently, is there any way to see who looks at your Facebook page? The short answer is no, you cannot see who has viewed your Facebook profile. One reason for this is to protect the privacy of Facebook's users. We get that you value your own privacy and don't want people stalking your Facebook profile or page. However, Facebook also doesn't want its users to be able to stalk each other by knowing who has merely looked at their profile or page. Another reason is that it's possible to view some public types of content on Facebook without being logged into Facebook, or even actually having a Facebook account. So even if Facebook was able to tell you which users visited your page, it wouldn't be able to do so for people not logged into Facebook. Though Facebook doesn't allow you to track who specifically viewed your profile or page, it does allow you to track some things that may indirectly reveal who has visited your profile. Such actions include sending you a friend request, posting something on your profile, reacting to or commenting on one of your posts or comments, viewing a post you shared, reacted to, or commented on in a group depending on the group's privacy settings, viewing a video while you're broadcasting it live, or a friend or Facebook Messenger contact viewing one of your stories, also depending on your privacy settings. There are some apps outside of Facebook, including websites and browser extensions, that may claim to be able to track who views your Facebook profile or page. These apps are unreliable at best. At worst, they're phishing scams that may hijack your account, steal your private account information, or damage your device. So downloading and using these services just isn't worth the risk. If controlling who views your Facebook profile is of concern to you, check out our video on how to make your Facebook private next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.